How to pay a bill with MoneyGram. Download and open the MoneyGram app on your mobile device. Sign in or create a new MoneyGram account if you don't have one. Select Pay Bills from the main menu. Enter the biller's name and search for it using the app's search function. Provide your account number and the amount you want to pay. Choose a payment method, either your bank account, debit card, or credit card. Review the payment details and confirm the transaction. A confirmation number will be provided. Save it for your records. Payments are typically processed within 24 hours, but timing may vary. Check your biller's account to confirm the payment was received. Use the app to track past payments and manage future bills easily. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.